What is indefinite integral of e raised to x divided by e raised to x plus 4 by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. In that case, to solve this integral, we may apply so-called u substitution method. We do it in order to modify the integral in the way that enable using sum of formulas for finding integrals. Now, we try to substitute expression e raised to x plus 4. We say u is equal to e raised to x plus 4. We also have to know what the derivative of u is. So we write derivative of u equals d e raised to x plus 4. We've got du is equal to derivative of e raised to x plus 4 multiplied by dx. From rules that we can apply to derivatives, we know that the derivative of e raised to x plus 4 equals derivative of e raised to x plus derivative of 4. And the whole expression is multiplied by dx. Thus, we have du equals e raised to x as derivative of e raised to s equals e raised to s, and in our case, s is x. From expression plus 4, we've got 0 as derivative of constant is 0. We can write du is equal to e raised to x multiplied by dx. We can leave the expression like this, as in a moment we insert it in exactly that form to our main equation. Let's make use of our u. We insert u instead of e raised to x plus 4 to our main equation, and instead of the whole numerator multiplied by dx, we can now insert du. Thus, we have integral of du divided by u in our main equation. We can rewrite this expression as integral of 1 divided by u multiplied by du. Perfect! Now we can apply formula for solving integral of 1 divided by s by ds, which equals natural logarithm of absolute value of s. We also must add constant c to make sure that we have all our solution taken into account, as our solution make whole class of functions, not a single one. In our case, s is equal to u, then we've got natural logarithm of absolute value of u plus constant c. But it is not the end of our solution. We must come back to our problem, and it was formulated using variable x. We used u substitution, and now we must come back to x. So instead of u, we now insert e raised to x plus 4. We've got natural logarithm of absolute value of e raised to x plus 4 plus constant c as a result of our problem. Finally, indefinite integral of e raised to x divided by e raised to x plus 4 by dx is equal to natural logarithm of absolute value of e raised to x plus 4 plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.